Hey everyone, looking for a high protein dish with your rotis and paranthas? Well, to solve that, we'll make Palak Moong Dal Sabji today. To make this, you need 1 cup moong dal soaked for about an hour, 300 grams of spinach or palak, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, half teaspoon of cumin, red chili powder to taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, 2 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1/4 of a ginger finely chopped, and 3 teaspoons of oil. Turn on the heat on the pan. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the pan is heated, add the hing or asafoetida and the cumin. Cook for 1 minute. Add the ginger and the garlic. Cook for about 2 minutes. Now we will add all the moong dal. We will cook this on medium flame for 5 minutes. This has been cooking for 5 minutes. Now I'll add all the dry masalas. Give it a good mix and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Next, let's add all the spinach and give it a nice gentle mix. Cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring it. You want all the water to dry up. Don't cover it, else it'll just overcook the spinach. The sabzi is ready, and now let's transfer in a bowl. The spinach moong dal sabzi is all ready to be enjoyed with your rotis or paranthas. Do try it and tell me how you like it.